Welcome everyone. So this is the second part of our EVS 100 MCQ series. So here in this video there will be 20 more questions and this part will continue. Okay, so let's start. So today's first question is removal of microorganisms from the sewage water is by. So the options are aeration, pre-screening, disinfection, sludge removal. So here the correct option will be option D, sludge removal. Okay. Question number 22. The process of burning of non-biodegradable solid waste is called. So the options are composting, incineration, segregation, and option D, sanitary landfilling. So here the correct option will be option B, incineration. Okay. Question number 23. Deforestation is caused by overpopulation and shifting of cultivation. Option B, the increase in demand for fuel is another reason. Option C, overgrazing and forest fire. Option D, all of above. So here the correct option is all of the above. All these are responsible for deforestation. Okay. So question number 24. Dash is an elixir of life. Here the term elixir means that is necessary. Which are the following things are necessary for our life? Okay. So first option is air, then water, then food, and option D, all of the above. So all these things are needed for our life. So the correct option will be option D, all the above. Okay. Next question. Question number 25. Deforestation generally decreases. Option A, rainfall. Option B, drought. Option C, global warming. Option D, soil erosion. So here the correct option will be rainfall. Deforestation generally decreases rainfall. Okay, so students. Question number 26. So before discussing question number 26, I would like to request all of you, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe and share this video with all of your friends so that they can also get benefited from this video. Okay. So now question number 26. The volume of water on the earth is option number A, 1.3 billion cubic kilometer. Option B, 1.5 billion cubic kilometer. Option C, 1.8 billion cubic kilometer, and option D, 2 billion cubic kilometer. So here the correct option will be option A, 1.3 billion cubic kilometer. Okay, it's a very important question. Question number 27. Dash percentage of earth's surface is filled with water. So this is a very important and very easy question, I guess. So here the correct option will be option B, that is 71%. Okay. Next question. Question number 28. Dash percentage of water is needed by man. So humans only need 1% of the total surface water of earth. So here the correct option will be option A, that is 1%. Okay. Now question number 29. Botanical Survey of India is located in option A, Gujarat. Option B, Delhi. Option C, Calcutta. Option D, Tamil Nadu. So here the correct option will be option C, that is Calcutta, that is Kolkata. Okay. Now question number 30. The Botanical Survey of India was established in the year. So it was established in the year 1890, that is option C. Option C will be the correct answer, 1890, and the date is 13th February. Okay, keep in mind the date is 13th February and the year is 1890. Okay. Now question number 31. Dash percentage of water is present in the plant and animal body. So what is the percentage of water present in plant and animal? It will be option C, 60 to 65%. Okay, so the correct option is option C. Now question number 32. Of the total rainfalls, dash percentage of rain falls on the sea. So here the correct option will be option C, that is 77%. Okay. Now next question. It's a very important question. 33. Ecology the term ecology was first used by? So I guess all of you know this answer. Here the correct option will be option B, Ernest Haeckel, that is option B. Okay. Now question number 34. The most important natural resources which shapes the earth's surface and regulate our climate. So here the options are forest resources, food resources, land resources and water resources. So here the correct answer will be water resources. So don't get confused with the option A, that is forest resources, and option D, water resources. Correct option will be option D, water resources. Okay. Question number 35. Dash percentage water is used for agriculture in India. It's a very basic and common question. So here the correct option will be option C, that is 80%. 80% of total water is used for agriculture in India. Now question number 36. Which is the first state in India to make rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the across the state? So here the correct option will be Tamil Nadu. The state is Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now question number 37. Rainwater is referred as, that is we use rainwater as, here the correct option will be option B, potable water, that is drinking water. We can use rainwater as a drinking water. Okay. So here the correct option will be option B, that is potable water. Now question number 38. World Water Day is celebrated on. So here the correct option will be option B, that is March 22. It is celebrated as World Water Day. Okay. Question number 39. Water scarcity is mainly caused due to. So the options are overpopulation, low rainfall, option C, over exploitation. So here all the options are correct. Okay. So the answer will be option D, all of above. So today's last question, that is question number 40. Water is renewable resource because option A, it can be reused again, option B, it is being recycled by human being, option C, it is being renewed through reduction, option D, it is renewed and recharged through hydrological cycle. So all of you know what is hydrological cycle. So here the correct option will be option D, that is hydrological cycle. Okay. So these are the 20 questions for today's video, and this is the part 2. Those who have not seen the first video, I would like to request all of you go and check the first video, that is the first part of this MCQ series for environmental studies for all of your upcoming TET exams. Okay. So I hope this video also very useful for all of you. If you like this video, then don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Okay. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.